see you back on your thing. Yeah. I can't wait to see you in a movie or something.
Hello.
And I'll say
No, you're right there.
I want to talk about my story, and I'll say it's my journey of like faith. Ever since I was
What's your name?
oh, I'm sorry. My name's Alasia. Yeah. So when I first came to college, I had like a rocky start. I mean, I was 2020 year, so I didn't have anything. I didn't have prom, I didn't have graduation, and then starting the year, I had like a lot of online classes. So it was really rough for me, and during that time, I was going through like a lot of personal issues. But then this was like the very beginning of where I started to get a lot closer to God, and I was so grateful for that season of my life because I was able to see how much that I waited on the Lord and how He renewed my strength, and to see how much I've accomplished over the years. And without that moment in my life, like where I was so down and defeated, well, felt defeated. I wasn't defeated because He already overcame the world. But when I felt so down and so low, He showed me along the way that like He was always with me and that I'm an overcomer.
Talk about it. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Now, you're good with peanut butter.
Nope. I don't have much. I don't have no more peanut butter.
Okay, perfect.
Ain't gonna like this.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Well, thank you so much.